1.5 kgs of chicken, 250 grams of curd, half cup of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of chirangi, 12 to 15 almonds, and 4 to 5 elaichi, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of shazira, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and 1 teaspoon of zira powder. One teaspoon of green chili sauce, half teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup, 2 pinches of red food color, some chopped coriander leaves. Transfer almonds, chirangi and elaichi in a jar. Grind coarsely. Coarse paste is ready. Transfer chicken in an utensil. Add curd. Add ginger garlic and tomato paste. Add green chili sauce. Add red chili sauce. Add tomato ketchup. Add dry masala powders. Add vinegar. Add fried and crushed onion. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix them well. Add red food color. Add chopped coriander leaves. Give a nice mix. Add almond, chirangi, and elaichi paste. Mix it nicely. Leave the marinated chicken for 2 hours. After 2 hours, put it on stove and cook. Mix and cook for 5 minutes on high flame. Turn flame on medium and cook. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Stir in between so that masala should not stick. On bottom of utensil. Cover and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove lid and mix nicely. Keep lid and cook for a few more minutes so that masala and chicken get cooked well. Stir in between. Masala is roasted well and chicken is tender and soft. Add chopped coriander leaves. Tasty red chicken is done. Turn off flame. Tasty and delicious Hyderabad special red chicken is ready to serve. Enjoy tasty and delicious red chicken with naan, rumali roti, tandoori naan or any plain chapati. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.